Hello guys, so today we will discuss few of the interview questions related to the UNIX administration part. So the first question starts with what are the fields of etc password file? So basically it consists of 7 fields. First one is the username, second one is the encrypted password, third one is the user ID, fourth one followed by the group ID, fifth one is the description whether it is a DBA team or some other team, followed by the home directory, and the last one whether it is using which kind of shell. Let's move to the second question. How can you create a user without a user add command? So for that we need to add the user into the etc password file, and then we have to create a group with the same name using the below command. Now our next question is what is the default permission on the user home directory? So once a user is created, the home directory have the permission of 700. What is the difference between .bash profile and .bash rc? So once we logged into the system and if it is already open, then .bash rc file is executed. And when we are opening the file for the first time, then in that case .bash profile runs. What is the command to create a user with a predefined user ID, shell and home directory? For these we have this command user add. Then we can specify the home directory, the shell we want to use and the user ID, followed by the username. Now our next question is how to change the primary group for any user. Now we have this command user mod, which is used to modify the user details. The next question is if I delete a user, does its home directory gets deleted? If not, then what is the command to delete the home directory of the user along with the user? So no, we can't delete a user with its home directory. To delete a user with its home directory, we have to use the second command user del -r followed by the username. Next question is name any 3 files that are automatically created inside any user home directory when a user is added. So we have .bash rc, .bash profile, .bash history. We have another .bash logout, but 3 are sufficient here. What is the command to view all the currently logged in users? So we have w command that would list down all the users that are currently logged in. Now how we can change the expiry and view the expiry date of any user? Then we have chge command, which is used to change and view the expiry date. Now what are the details that are provided by the finger commands? Then we have the login details, mail, home directory and the last login. Okay, now we have to list down few of the groups of which the root member is a part. So we have several, we can list out any 3. So it is desk, admin, wheel, sys, bean. Now the next question is how can you give the sudo access to any user without asking him to provide the password every time he runs a command? So for this we have to add an extra parameter no password in the sudo file while giving the user permission to run root level commands. The next question is how to unlock the user account. For this we have this syntax password space -u followed by the user ID. How do we set the force password change for the user first login? If a user will log into the system, it will ask the user to change the password. For this we have to set by using this command. Now, what is the default permission of a file in a directory when it is created? So for a directory it's 777, which is decided by the umask value, and for a file it is 644. Now how to view the user login and logout details? So the last command is used to show the user login and logout details. Now how to log the user account? So for logging the user account we have the command pass wb followed by -l then user ID. Now how do we set the force password change for the user first login? So this I think we have already discussed. Now how to delete the user ID? We have this user del option, and to delete the home directory as well we have to use -r. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel.